What's going on, Pixel Hackers? Christian Lovrecich from PixlFeed here, and in this video, I'm going to show you the best video editor for Facebook ads. That's right, my favorite tool for creating beautiful videos for Facebook ads and Instagram ads. But before we get started, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and let's go. So as Facebook ads keep getting better and better, the name of the game nowadays is creatives. If your creative is not on point, and it doesn't stand out on the feed, whether it's on Facebook or Instagram, you're not going to get conversions. I don't care how good you are at hacking Facebook ads, your creative has to stand out. You gotta create pattern interrupts. You gotta stand out from the crowd. So I've been playing with a few tools in the past 6 months, and there's this tool I've been using a lot. It's called Invideo. And it's basically a video editing tool specifically made for social media. What's cool about it is that they have tons of pre-made templates that you can use depending on the platform. So I'm going to walk you through the differences, what you can do. I'm going to show you how to create your own ads that you can use for either your e-com products or your agency, and how easy it is to create these products. The best part about this tool is that it's super cheap because it hasn't been around for long. So they want to capture a good user base to grow quickly. And right now, if you click the link in the description below, you're actually going to get 25% off on top of these prices. So you can start with the $10 plan, which is for business, which should be plenty for a single individual if you're not a huge agency. And that comes out to like $7 a month, guys. That's not much at all. So make sure to use the link in the description below and use the code Christian25 at checkout. So it applies that 25% discount. So when you first log into Invideo, the first thing you're going to see up here on your left is going to be your categories. And one of my favorites is the calendar feature. So if you're an e-com, it's essential to keep up with whatever holidays are coming up so you can create your creative accordingly to it and customize it accordingly to it. That's one of my favorites right there. And then you have your essentials and all that good stuff. So I'm going to walk you through some of them. These are called flows. So there's 3 different flows. Flow number 1 is going to be your pre-made templates. Flow number 2 is going to be article to video, and flow number 3 is going to be blank templates. Pre-made templates, pretty self-explanatory. You're going to have your pre-made templates that you can use depending on what it is that you're looking for, whether it's branding for your restaurant or for agency ads, stories. You can get super creative with it, branding, or if you own a blog site, you can do your, 3 incredible facts, click over to check it out, that type of stuff. You can do reviews. As you can see, if I click on April calendar, it gives you the date and the, the holiday. And it gives you, a video that matches that, right? So that's pretty cool. So if it's book day, you can create content for your page or for your ads that match that holiday, which it gives you higher conversions. So you don't have to remember those holidays. This is why it's one of my favorites for e-com. Brand essentials, if you want to just do branding, you have that as well. Video ads, buy now, that type of stuff. There's so many templates. Promotional videos, whether you're promoting an event, anything like that. This is what we call bumper ads, where you can showcase your product and you can put your video in the background, add some, headlines to it and all that good stuff. So there's tons and tons and tons of templates here. And as you can see, article to video, it's our second flow. Article to video, it's basically going to grab whatever your article you have, and this is how you create it. You turn it into a video. I'm sure you guys have seen those pages where they talk about, in science today, and they give you facts about what's going on. So you can see the headline, where you can break everything down and you can make it look cool. So if you have an article that you want to use to build audiences, you load up your article with all the text to it, and it transforms it for you automatically. And then you have your blank template, where you can start from scratch depending on what placement you need. You can start from scratch. So I'm going to show you. I'm going to use one of the pre-made templates here to show you what you can do. So let's You can look by social media platforms. You can do Instagram, Twitter, IGTV, Snapchat, YouTube Story, regular YouTube. For this case, I'm going to do Facebook newsfeed. So let's see what we have available for the Facebook newsfeed. So let's see. I'm going to create something. So let's do this one. I like that one. I like that text, but I'm going to change the video. So I will go in here, use this template. And this is how easy this is. Can't really beat this, especially with a discount on the link in the description. So you will go in here and it brings the basic editor. The cool thing about it is that you can use an advanced timeline. So if you're all about editing and you want to get it super complicated with this, it's like, Premiere, where you have all your different timelines and you can add different titles, headlines, and all that good stuff. I'm going to keep it simple for this video because I'm just going to introduce you quickly what you can do. So when you go to your left here, you can add your own media. So let's say you can search for whatever you want. They have over 1 million, videos and images you can choose from to use. So let's say cars. You will just type what you're looking for, and it's gonna bring you a bunch of templates that you can check it out. So you can preview it, right? Mute, depending on what you're doing. So you can do that. Same with images. You will just search, and you can include copyrighted images or just show Bing results, which, it works amazingly. So let's say you want to use this car, you can just add it to your video. Music, same thing for music. They have a huge music selection that you can use for royalty free, so you don't have to worry about your videos getting copyrighted or anything like that. You can just add it to the timeline. Add your music that way, or you can upload your own. Text, you can add your text. You can do headlines, subheadlines, and regular paragraph text. There's tons and tons of templates and different fonts and all that good stuff. So you can see in here, so if you're not a graphic designer like I'm not, it's easier to craft your ad or your video in a way where it still looks cool, and you can add your social media handles as well if you're an influencer or anything like that, or for your brand if you're doing branding videos. Location boxes, you can go in here and add the location if you're doing something location related, like an ad for an event. Okay, so you get the idea there. More is just miscellaneous stuff that you can play with, that looks cool. Stickers, you got your stickers, tons of stickers, broken down by categories. So you can do business, and then you can just add your stickers to it. So let's say I just want to add, I want to add a sticker to it. I just click on it and it will add it to it. And then you can just move it around, then make it as big as you want. Or if you don't want it, you can just delete it just like that by hitting delete. You can have emojis. I know how much you guys loved your emojis, so you can just add your emojis in here as well. You can also go, for example, e-commerce. You can add, 20% off, 80% off, all these like stickers and stuff like that. Effects, you can add effects to your video, whether it's confetti entertainment. There's just so many filters you can play with. Hearts, so you got to get really super creative with this stuff. Explosions like that, boom. So that looks kind of cool depending on the type of video you're using. So you have all these cool effects, and they make it super easy for you to use. You have outlines if you want to get creative, solid, images, blocks, whatever you want to call them. I don't use that too much. Enhancers, this is going to be, it's going to grab, it's collage your layout so they look cool. Masks, like Canva, you can ask your masks. So if you're using a picture or something, you can make it turn into a circle, whatever. You can pull your post from Instagram or Twitter, which is kind of cool. But for this example, I'm just going to go ahead and upload a video so you can see how easy it is. So I got this stock video right here, and it's just a video of a random shoe that I found. So I will just click upload full video, and it's going to upload it right here, so you can see. Let's give it a second. Optimizing. A pretty big video. So while that happens, is it done? While that happens, I'm going to play. Oh, there it is. Okay. So I can click preview, or I can just grab my video and drag it onto the scene here. And what it does is it asks me, do you want to replace the layer that's on there, the background, or you want to add as your own layer. For this instance, I'm just going to replace it. So there's the picture of my video. So since I'm doing e-com, I'm going to turn this into a retargeting ad. So let's say you have a bunch of reviews. So I'll do 754 customers can't be and wrong. So obviously we don't want white, so I got to change the color. So when you're playing with your layers, you're going to see everything you can edit to your right here. And guys, keep in mind, I have huge monitors. I have 36-inch monitors on my PC, so it looks kind of blurry. That's why. If you have regular monitors, it won't look blurry when it's out, when you're done with it or anything like that. So when you start working on it, you're going to see your timeline. It breaks it down for you. You can play your whole scene. You can play this scene that I have highlighted, or you can play the whole thing. You can play the whole scene if you have multiple scenes right here. For this case, I want to get rid of this. I don't want to use that scene. So I just want to delete it. I don't need that. So just that easily, you can get rid of something that you don't want. So there you go. It's gone. Now we're back to my regular scene here. And I'm going to keep working on this. And as you can see, again, once you get back in here, it's going to show you what you can edit depending on the layer that you choose. So for this example, this is the scene media. So you can see, so you can edit the video if you need to trim it, you need to crop it, you can do all that. You can change the speed of the video if you want to make it a little bit faster or slower. Resizing options, so I can crop it to screen. I have it set to that as default because this was a YouTube video. A wide video, I shouldn't say YouTube, a wide video. And you can add an animation to fade in, fade out. You can play with all this stuff. I mean, there's endless options here. For this video, I'm just gonna leave the video like that. I'm showcasing the product, but what I am going to change is, I like that font as it is. That's why I chose this template, but I am going to change the color. So I'm gonna do, let's do like a red or maybe an orange. Let me see what we got here. I like orange. That looks cool. So we'll do 700 people. I'll do the same. Move this here. I'm trying to make it look cool. So I'm going to move this. See how easy it is to just move that? And the cool thing, it tells you if it's center or not. See how that grid appears? So it makes it super easy. So do I want to use the same color or do I want to change it? So let's change it. Let's do, what color do I want to use? Should I do black? Oh, I like that blue. So we'll use that blue. Go in here, colors. And let's use blue, that blue again. Boom, can't be wrong. So let me center this so it looks better. And then let's add a little bit of flair to it. So let's remind people that you want them to buy now. So let's go to our stickers here. Where's my e-commerce? There it is. So let's say I'm using this at the bottom of the funnel where I just want them, you know, they already went through the branding introduction and all that stuff. So I would just add, I keep dragging. I keep forgetting, you just click. So, you know, buy now, you can add that here, right? Oops, I wouldn't do that though. Actually, if this was a Facebook ad, I wouldn't add that because there's a button at the bottom. So maybe we have an arrow. Let's use, you know, let's not make it look like a button. So we can do like a buy now. Let's see what we got here. Oh, there you go. Perfect. So see, we have the image that points to the call to action button. So, you know, if you're doing Facebook ads, you know, the button is right down here. So I will put that right there pointing to the button. And if I needed to change the colors in this, you can't change the colors, or you can change the opacity. So maybe you don't want to put it, you know, make it so obvious, right? You want to be subtle with it, but you don't have to. So you can do fade in or you can do none. I'm going to leave it as fade in. All right. And now we're gonna leave it like that. And then you know what? I'm gonna add some reviews here. Let's do emojis. Let's add some music. So I don't even have, let's see. You know what? I don't even have headphones on right now. Let me see. Let me put some headphones on here real quick so we can see. I know you guys can hear, but I can't. No, that doesn't match. Yeah, I like metal. We can use metal. So let's see. No, I don't want charisma. By the sword. So let's select that. And just like that. Maybe it's a little too much, but I kind of like it. So we'll leave that on there. Pretty sure it just adds the music to it. So that's done. Now we need some stickers. Let's see, emojis. Where's my stars? Let's add some stars to it. No. So, oops. Let's see. Do we have stars? Let's see. Actually, you know what? Let's just add 15% off instead of stars. This is the bottom of the funnel. So we'll add that on there. So, and just like that, your ad is done, right? And then all you have to do is hit preview, export. And it's gonna get your video ready. It has the music on there, as you can see. And then all you gotta do is hit export video. Then it's gonna export your video. And guys, the cool thing about this is that you can switch all the placements. So there's gonna be processing, and then you're gonna be able to download it. And they have their own Facebook group, so you can join their Facebook group. There's tons of people in there that can help you with editing. You'll be amazed at the stuff that people show off on there. And it'll show completed, as you guys can see right here. And from here, you can preview your ad by playing it, or you can share it to your favorite platform, or you can download it straight to your computer, so you can upload it to Facebook to create your ads. The other cool thing about this tool is that they have 24/7 support. It never stops, and they're pretty awesome about getting back to you quickly. They keep updating it. I know the price is down because they're trying to grow their user base. They keep adding templates daily. So guys, I really, really highly suggest that you guys get in on this deal while you can, because it's not gonna last for long. Make sure to click the link in the description below and use the code Christian25 at checkout to get 25% off your whole plan, no matter which one you choose. And if you like this video, make sure to let me know in the comments how much you like it, or if you have any questions, and make sure to click one of the boxes right above me to keep watching, keep learning, and keep moving on. See you in the next video.